Okay, we're going to do Journey in the Night Part 2 with the left hand. Right away, we start with 5 on A, and we just do a fifth. Then we do a fourth with 5 and 2, and then 5 and 3. And here we have to put our thumb on A and do that same thing that we did with our right hand. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Let's see what this looks like. 5 on A, here we go. And then we move down. Pretty easy. Then we do that same phrase, exact same phrase again. So just so you're aware, measure 11 is exactly the same as what we did earlier with the A. So I'll just put an A down here, and let's put 5 and 2 here just as a reminder, and then 5 and 3 right there. We once again start on A with 1 and 5 for the next part, and we do 2 and 5 here, and then we do an A sixth, going all the way up to F here. Back down to a 1 and 5. And here we do the A sixth again, and then back to the A fifth, and then this is a low A. Note that we put the pedal, we use the pedal in this section. To do that whole left hand section, since it's a lot easier than the right hand, just starting on measure 9 and going forward.